something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils.
Recording
they think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until
Good morning, good morning. Morning, everyone.
up into a creature, and it haunts me.
How's everyone doing today? All right. So looking at gold here today. Now, if we can catch a sell in this range, I will take a sell. However, I am expecting gold to come all the way back down to this 5-minute demand at least, or we get back to this 15-minute support and we start finding our way back up. Now, the reason why I'm expecting gold to come all the way back down to this 5-minute demand at least is because this low, right, had a break of structure here. Now, since we have a break of structure there to the left, now look at what happened here once this low created so once this low created this high, pretty much London high, what we have from there is that this low pretty much failed to break and close above the high that it created, and we have a low, high, low, high. So we pretty much have a lower, low, lower, high structure after this low failing to break the high that it created. Now, this lower low that we first created here at around 39.05, this high created it. It tried to break, couldn't break it, and now we have aggressive selling. So I'm expecting it to come all the way back down. If we don't, I'm still gonna keep looking to short this possibly. So that is what I'm looking at today, guys. I hope that makes sense. So we'll see what happens.
Edwin, how's your day been?
Man, fucking sucks. Nothing, man.
Oh,
Well,
okay.
didn't get the setup. Like this cells here didn't tap the 15 supply,
Okay.
and this one here, the push up, didn't go back to the demand.
Mhm.
Yeah, so I've got nothing. But I'm
Okay.
looking at buys here because of this demand, the 15 and the 30 demand. If she give a setup.
Oh,
I don't know why you said it sucks. You didn't take any loss. It's okay.
That's true. That's true. I mean, I was anticipating the buys, but didn't get it. Anticipating the sales, didn't get it too, which
Yeah.
is sad.
I'm not looking at the 15 or the 30 today. I'm only looking at the 5. Goodbye. Got news pretty much in an hour today.
Yeah.
Hmm. We are going to start actually from this 1 hour here. We'll see what happens.
Oh, I saw that U.S. is having government shutdown.
Yeah, they're talking about it.
Okay.
I feel like that might be the reason why gold just freaking keeps going up out of fear.
Oh, okay. Apparently, there's like no NFP data coming out because of the government shutdown.
Yeah, possibly. Yep. But who knows? They might change their mind tomorrow. Oh, early Friday morning. Good morning, Joseph. Good morning, Peter. Adrian, you should take your buys. You should get your 1-to-1 at least. Oh, I didn't tap the 15 or 30 demand that Edwin was looking for. Oh, it did tap
Yeah,
a good time.
I need it to go down one more time, then I can take it.
It tapped it. If it does not get to the 1 hour support at least, I'm not interested. If it does, I'm gonna take this thing back to the highs.
I'm in the buys.
Okay.
Where?
I'll give you a bonus point if you can. I bet you can tell me.
Well, I don't want to. I don't want to say it because I just want to know why you're telling us after the fact.
Okay, no, but because I was not concentrating, I bought it at 38.95.1.
You see, it's like we're at like 3,900 right now.
Well, it's got to play out.
Oh, it's dropping already.
Here
Shit.
comes my BE.
I was looking for a sell at
Yeah,
9.
sorry, bye.
Yeah.
You're
I was
not
looking
sorry.
to sell. 3904,
Good morning, Joey.
roughly around there is VWAP, as well as like a little bit of like selling pressure there. Was looking to sell it there, but They already jumped in, so it's lost. If it gets back up there, it's gonna make yet another higher high. It's not good to sell anymore.
My buys would be at this 1 hour support or the 15 or this 1 hour demand. That's where I'm looking to buy.
What's that 1 hour? Oh, okay. I see that. Huh. That 1 hour, that's where I was like looking for the market to get back to this morning for Asia's session buys. But it just went to the moon.
Yeah, but that 1 hour support was created pre-London.
No, the 1 hour demand.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
And it didn't even get there. It just go to the support.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy.
When we were looking to take the sales before we finished, I was expecting at least that it would get at least to the 1 hour demand and then buys from there. But Asia session was crazy yesterday, last night though.
Yeah.
Straight up and straight down.
And then once it like made that big candle, this crazy candle, it happened so fast. That was like 1 minute it just dropped.
I was expecting it to get back to the 5 supply it created before even dropping, and when it even pulled back, it didn't even get there. Right here.
Oh, damn it. Damn you, gold. Just had to go a little bit higher.
Edwin, I'm sure you're happy you didn't buy this.
Well, I mean, it's not my setup yet, so I didn't take it.
Oh, so you were gonna wait for the push and then the pullback, then you take it?
Yeah, I want to see how
okay.
she rejects here. If she give me like a bearish candle here, I'll buy it.
Oh.
But if she close below it, then I'll wait.
Now we got a lower low. Oh, wait. Okay, there you go. Now you got a lower low.
Setup Edwin is talking about, even if we do reject from this 1 hour support, we're gonna have to wait for that because this move broke lows on its way down.
Oh, Pi, did you take anything during London?
Yeah, I took a buy.
Win?
A breakout buy?
Yeah, 100 pips. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Jeez. Nice.
Why is like, I mean, no, wow. These days I've been noticing Pi is like F supply and demand. I'm taking this breakout.
Man, I'm telling you, man, breakouts are eating today.
Uh-oh, Edwin, there you go. Hey, Today, how you doing? We're taking any trades since yesterday? No. I haven't taken anything since yesterday. Asia, we didn't get it set up.
Oh,
Yep.
don't worry.
I'm good. Yeah, you didn't get anything done Asia and London? Yeah, if you trade supply and demand, I would imagine you didn't get anything.
Don't
Maybe
worry, it was only
the
me who
market
counter
wrangling.
traded.
Oh, Peter was talking about yesterday.
Yeah.
I expected gold to go lower before making that bullish move it did yesterday.
I took like multiple buys actually. It's like after it wicked me out and it flipped back to being like bullish, I was like, shit, it's gonna break the high. Had to get back in.
I looked at it again even before. Where is it? Oh yeah, right over here. There was a demand here, but this candle did not even tap it. It got close, it just flipped, and rest is history.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I think it was a 15-minute demand. It didn't get there. Mm.
So we got NYSC coming up, and we got news. Gold starting to barcode, so it's probably getting ready. If this thing starts to break the highs here, Pi's gonna tell us that he got in at the lows.
The bulls move was so aggressive. Yeah, they were. And I would expect that probably the dollar. That has nothing to do with gold. The dollar should be tanking
Let's see.
because of the government shutdown fear.
Uh-huh. So let's see. It's not tanking. It's like trending lower
Trending
over the
lower.
past couple. Yeah, it's like goes down a little bit, does a full retracement, goes down a little bit more, full retracement.
Mm.
Gold, on the other hand, fucking moon boy. Hey, wait a second. What the fuck? Gold's been going. Gold and dollar have been both going down together for the past couple hours. Fucking correlations. God damn it.
Any level was giving profit and you're sitting like, damn, yep. Come on, gold. It's not time yet.
I would love NYSE to open up, spike the lows just super fast.
Yeah.
And then flip back up.
That might actually happen.
Thinking.
Well, I just need this to close bearish. It's good enough for me.
Okay. My thoughts and prayers to you.
Like it has to come back to the lows because we have if this low failed to break its own high, and then aggressive selling from there, so it has to come down to that low, and even potentially grab it before going back up.
That would be nice too. I'm still waiting.
Yeah, those are the two setups I'm looking for.
I like the level that it's currently at. Like at the very lows, it's basically kissing the POC.
Yeah, you also have a 15-minute demand from there. It could go back up from there as well, but it's gonna have to push up, then come back and retest if I'm gonna take it from the 15.
Yeah. Still no higher high yet on any time frame.
Mm-hmm.
On for the smaller time frame, that is.
It's pretty much bearish still. Yeah, the bearish momentum is still there.
Well,
one thing about POC is it's still history. Reaction is not anything unless volume balance changes. Makes sense. You don't even look at POC anymore. I do feel like VWAP works a lot more compared to POC.
Yes.
Because if we look at this right now, so we're reacting to the POC right now. And then you got VWAP up here. I'm pretty sure, let me see, on trade of it, this candle tap VWAP.
No, just missed it. I was looking to sell it, but yeah.
Let me see. Ooh. Okay. So, but at least we are trading below the VWAP. Now, if I'm going to pick between this VWAP and this POC, to be honest, I'll pick the VWAP to be successful here, meaning breaking this POC and coming down lower. But we'll see.
One of the things about the POC is that it can chop because that's the highest volume. So sometimes rather than reject it, it enters back inside its range and then just chops.
Yeah. The 200 SMA on 15 is right below my support. Oh, okay. VWAP is better.
Yeah, but the 200... Sorry, go ahead.
I was just going to say VWAP is way better.
I was just going to say, but the 200 SMA on the 30 isn't right there, so I can't do it, man. It has to hit the 200 SMA on the 30 first.
The thing one thing that I also like about the VWAP is it does not move, meaning no matter the time frame, it's all going to be the same.
Yeah.
Compared to the SMA or the EMA.
That's why all those like moving averages, they kind of suck, because the moment I change my chart to 5 minute, it's moved. It's moved from here to there, and then it's like if I go from a different time frame, now it's bearish, and the other one was bullish, and it's like, what the fuck happened?
Yeah. That's why, in my opinion, when it comes to the 200 and above SMA or EMA, I would only recommend using it on the higher time frame, to be honest, because that's what the 200 EMA or SMA is. If you trade the lower time frame, you're a day trader, there's no point using the 200. Just use the smaller moving averages like the 15, 20. No, not the 15, the 50 or the 20. On the 15-minute time frame, maybe the 100 EMA, but I'll prefer the 50. Combine the 20 and 50 or 25 and 50 together for smaller time frames.
Or just ditch all that shit and just use the VWAP
Yep.
if you're gonna use anything.
And,
Doesn't matter what time frame you put. It'll be in the exact same spot.
Yep.
And also, if the VWAP is going like dead sideways, it's basically telling you there is no volume and there is no direction. It's ranged. So it kind of like helps you to know if there's volume in the market as well.
Yeah.
1 minute NYSE.
This could actually go up from here, but I don't trust it.
I don't trust New York open. They're shady. I need to see this thing spike the low in fucking 180.
That's what I'm hoping for. Before she get to this entry.
Oh, it's gonna get to your entry.
Let's
already.
keep going. Let's keep going.
Yeah.
Oh, Pi's already in at the
absolutely.
lows. I told you guys.
Man, spike pie NYC.
Fuck you.
Oh man, not even a bottom week. Oh, wait.
Yeah, you deserve that. I'm out.
One thing about price and land, only two things matter: price, structure, real-time volume. Nothing else matters. If it's bearish, you better wait for it to be bullish again. I mean, gold is still bullish. We just have a bearish momentum right now. As far as structure goes, gold is still bullish. Edwin, you in? I'm guessing.
Nah, I don't have the bottom week for the NYC. So annoying. If she give the bottom week first and then flip, I'll be in.
Damn, that's an evil laugh right there.
Man, I'm telling you, it's so fucking annoying these days.
Fuck you, Pi. You're so fucking annoying these days.
I know, man. That was so rude.
Once this thing gets back to the lows, I'm gonna let you guys know that I'm in a sell.
Yeah, off the VWAP, right?
Yeah, because there's like a large iceberg up there, and they popped them and then flipped back and sell it.
We already have a bearish move on the tick chart.
Just starting. But they're still trying to hold it. But as long as it doesn't get back above 92 2.8, then then it looks good. How much time for news? Still plenty of time.
You might be in a little bit of drawdown depending on where your stop loss is. They might try to push it towards 3905.4.
5.4.
And then it can start falling again.
Okay. Once it breaks this little low, should be clear sailing. 99.8. Okay, let's go break even. All right, cool. Target 95.0.
You wait for this candle, looks okay, holding.
Damn, there's an iceberg to the buy side now. Fuck. Okay. Securing some profit there. They can't get through the iceberg. Shit. $99.5 buyer, massive buyer sitting.
We might not get anything, guys, until after possibly this news in 23 minutes. PMI.
Yes, take him out.
Remember, guys, for sales, I'm waiting for right here, and for buys, either this 1 hour 15 or this 1 hour demand, preferably this 1 hour demand. That way we have a liquidity grab of the previous lows to the left. But we'll see. So in the meantime, your boy is gonna go get him some ganja. If you smoke ganja, YouTube, light that thing up. I'll be right back.
All right. Anyways, fucking beautiful trade. W. Fuck that pie guy. Sorry, pie. What's that? 70 pips. Beautiful. 70 pips. Secured some at 28. Oh,
All
nice
right, well,
squeeze.
let's take over for me.
Got it. What does iceberg mean? Like someone who has like a gigantic, like order, whether it's like a sell order or a buy order, and then they just smash into it and can't get through it, and it just keeps refilling. Like they smash into it, can't get through it, not even a single pip. Price goes back up, smashes it again, and then it's like still can't get through it. There's actually two up there. It's like one was a seller, one was a buyer. Let's see. Now we got what? 20 minutes for news. 20 minutes. Okay.
You just get out in profit.
Oh, where's your buys? Kill the beat. Did you buy on that first move down, or just this recent move? 64.5, 60. Oh, Forex 64.5, 64. Damn, right down there, eh? Nice. Well, shit, if it breaks these highs, man. Swing trade to the north. Beautiful. Beautiful. Previous 5 candle break you would consider, not yet in buys. 70-30 if it breaks. I'm assuming you mean 70% chance that it goes up if it breaks. Wait, you should trade your trendline strategy, man. You said that thing's 87%. I like them odds. You have a TP at 270 pips. Man, gold should get that easy. Yeah, yeah, if it goes up. If it goes up, it should get easy. Hmm. Now is not a good area to take a trade anymore. You already got that nice reaction off the VWAP, off that big seller. Now it's ping ponging. News in 15 minutes, so most likely continues to ping pong. Yep, best to wait for news. Price reacted from the trend line, you guess? What trend line? Which one? Let me see. Let me see which trend line. Let's do one here. Let's do one here. Let's see. Let's do one like this. Oops, oops. Let's do one like right here. Let's do one like this, right? Got a trend line there. Let's do one like this. Look, that's all right, right? You got 3 touches there. Let's do a trend line like this. Okay, now I'm just fucking with you. All right. Don't mind me. I like to tease. But therein lies the problem with trend lines is they're too subjective. You draw them where you like them. And then you just ignore the ones that you don't like. You bet people are taking notes. I fucking hope not. Big buyer sitting down here still. Oh, broke straight through them. They don't give a shit. Damn, big buyer down here again. Interesting. Man, there's so many like 1 lots, 2, 3 lots, and then just random like 100, 50, 40, 60s. Can go either way, yeah. Don't know what they're up to here. Trader E is buying on the break of the previous 5 high. I like that you called your shot and you didn't try to do a pie and tell me that, you know, like you're in buys after it's like fucking 50 pips in profit. It's like, I don't want to hear that shit.
This is actually not looking bad right now, but we got news in 8 minutes. I'ma just wait, cause this should come down to the lows. If it actually goes up from here, it will be surprising. But then again, it's pretty much at the lows. We got a nice 15-minute demand here, which we made before we broke the highs. Not looking bad.
I will say it's kind of funny. It's almost like this is a very important news. It's like, you know, it's acting like this is some big shit like NFP or something.
Because it's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, to the E. I am waiting for news. Plus, I still feel like gold is not going to go up from here. Like, what I mean by go up is break this high, even though it's bullish. You know what? I will not say that because the way gold has been moving ever since the news about possible government shutdown came out, gold has stopped giving deep pullbacks. So I don't know. If he does that, well, I might just miss this trade. The way I'm looking at this, there's a very, very high chance that this is just going to be a lower high for gold to continue down, come down lower, for it to break and continue up. You see where we're rejecting right here, even though I would not call this a valid supply, hence the reason why this can also break. But when it comes to supply and demand, all you need is a gap after that candle closes. Now, the bigger the gap of that candle, the stronger that supply is. And also, if that supply was formed before BOS, whether it's minor BOS or a major BOS, you see this 5-minute supply here. That's the reason why I'm using it, because it's a stronger supply zone. Look at this freaking body we had, gap we had after the candle closed. And it also did what? Broke a low. For that two reasons, this 5-minute supply is stronger than this 5-minute supply we have here. All you have to do is to take a look at the wick of this candle and the gap we had between the gap we had below the previous candle. Okay, but is this supply there? Absolutely. Is this strong enough? Nah. Okay, there we go. So we'll see. And some of you might be saying, oh, why are you even thinking gold can freaking fall? Well, that's because on the lower time frame, yeah, gold is completely bullish. And like I said earlier, this low over here created this high. We all know that. And it has a break of structure. Yes, we all know that. That's fine. However, you also have to take a look at, okay, well, when this low created this high, okay, well, after the pullback, when it tried to break it, was it successful? No, it was not successful, as we can see. Came down, the seller said, nope. We came down again, went back up. The seller said, no, we want you to come down. And after all the argument, the buyers completely gave up, meaning we came down aggressively. They gave up. Now they're trying to step back in. Well, that's fine. Already, we should have sellers waiting here. And in my opinion, because I will be taking a sell, whether I lose or win. If I win, fine. And if I lose, hey, it is what it is. But as of right now, I'm always going to trade what I know. So now if we continue here, I'm expecting us to fall. However, will I be taking these sells right away? No, I'm not going to do that because number one, gold is still bullish overall. And number two, you have buyers that stepped in here and they were successful in breaking a minor high. That's number 2. Now, once we get back up here, I want to see the sellers first, meaning they could give me an aggressive selling again, at least 2 candles. Then the new sellers here, pull back, we reject again, then I'm taking that all the way down. This is what I'll be looking for if I'm going to sell this. If it does not happen, then that's fine. It is what it is. I need this thing to come back down to the lows right here, because this low right here was not successful in breaking the highs. So we need to come back down there and retest it and see if buyers are still there waiting. So I hope that makes sense. Now I'm high. You're gonna get more stuff out of me. Okay, I'm done.
Well, that news was uneventful.
Yep. Oh, yep, the news though. Yeah. Didn't do shit. Excuse my language. What I explained is pure gold. Thank you. That's why I didn't really argue with you when you said you took yourself from there.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, this low right here, because even if we end up tapping this low, I mean, it is still within this stupid 5-minute supply here.
If it did tap that, I'd be stopped out because my stop loss is tiny.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
I thought you put it at least above that low.
Oh, my stop loss was like literally the top of that wick, right?
Oh. Damn.
So it's
That's super tight.
14 pip stop.
Oh, wow.
When you said that level, I was like, let me go check that real fast because I need to know if it's going to get up there. Because if it gets up there, I got a problem.
Yeah.
Chop, chop, chop.
I would expect the buyers to take this up to that supply. Because, I mean, why would you fall from right here? But I have seen gold do that multiple times. I'll be like, wow. Sellers actually it came in from here? Even with buys sometimes. I eat per section alive before it even has time to think. So this is a good setup for buys like 70-30. Okay, who is the 70 for? Who's the 70 is for the buyers or the sellers? What do you think today? 70 is for the buyers. Yep, I would agree. but more like 60-40 for me. Simply because I've seen gold freaking just invalid supply and invalid demand. It was just freaking reject there and just be gone. Sellers are trying. Buyers are trying too.
So much barcoding.
Yeah. Yeah, around there. You need to get to my level for that precision. It's pretty much what I'm pretty much explaining is pretty much range trading. That's what I just pretty much explained. Like if we come down here, and reject to maybe this 1 hour or the 15 or even this demand, my goal is to only take this thing back to the major highs, and I'm just gonna use this 30-minute supply. That will be my target. Because for one, Jade, I'm not expecting this to hold. You just a minor high, you don't count. This major low is absolutely 100% gonna take you out. Now over here though, we could see another rejection because it's a major high. That's the top of the range. Even though I would expect it to break it, because hey, we're bullish. We just have a bearish momentum, and if we go up from here, let me put this 5-minute supply back. Okay, now what was I saying? I lost my train of thought. Man, this setup had happened pretty much. This is Comex scandal. Man, definitely would have jumped in if I saw that setup.
Yeah, there was news.
Yeah, the news was 7:15, and it was this bullish candle.
Oh, okay. Oh, New York.
Session is chalked. At this point, I just wanted to come lower. Then we might still get a chance to get in buys. I said if volume just freaking kicks in like crazy.
I just don't want to see no bullshit 200 pip bullish bearish candle like this one fucking giant monster. Right.
Man, it's officially the third quarter. We only got like 2.5 months of trading to do this year, at least for me.
Yeah, this year's been pretty fast. Lots happened.
Yeah. Yep. Volume was good so far. It was until we freaking created this low. You don't like candles either, so you use the line with dots on your chart. I think you should try and get yourself, except if you've been doing that and it works really, really well for you. But in my opinion, I would suggest getting familiar with candles so you can get rid of that fear. Because using the line chart to mark up your zones, you're always going to have those zones that's going to look as if you have a supply or a demand there. But I would say you can definitely use it to mark up your zones like support and resistance. All right, but once you're done, switch to candles real quick to be able to identify the zones that are major from the ones that are minor. That's just my opinion.
So he uses line charts. That's very interesting. I don't see anyone use it anymore. But, you know, there's nothing wrong with line charts.
That's old school.
Yeah. The thing is, with, you know, the Japanese candlestick, it gives more information that you can't... How do you say? It gives more information and easier to read information because it tells you of like low volume and high volume when you have tiny bodies, giant wicks, things like that. That line chart won't be able to tell you.
That's one of the things I really don't like Hashi candles either. It does not tell you that either.
Yeah,
and
I
then
don't know how to use that.
And then it moves. Is late.
Yeah.
As well. So I see it as an indicator, not actually a type of candles.
Yeah, it's kind of it's a wild one. It's like it looks real good when it seemingly works, you know.
Yeah.
But man, I don't know. It's like it looks like it's trending, but if you try to buy it, it's like fucking. It's not even where the candle is. It's like what the fuck.
Is it possible volume is so low due to the government shutdown or not? Nah, I do strongly feel like this bullish run is that gold has have without any deep pullbacks has to do with the government shutdown. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. Because ever since then, gold has been moving differently. How old are you guys? I'll tell you my age. I don't have no problem telling my age. It's just a number. I'm 40. But man, it's just session. Man. It's just session has been the gold for Yeah, I would say pretty much most of this year.
Yeah, most of last year too.
Yeah, we were talking earlier that, man, was it a few weeks ago? That, man, I wish I had started Asia this year instead of London.
Yeah.
uh,
I was telling you to do Asia session.
Yeah, you did. I should have listened. I'm stubborn like that. Japanese light precision. Yeah, they do. I mean, the name Heiken Hashi sounds Japanese too, doesn't it?
Yep. So it's like Haikanashi, Japanese candlestick.
Mm-hmm.
I know there's another one. What's it called?
Ichimoku.
No. Renko. That's Japanese.
Oh, Renko.
Too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, them Renko candles. Oh, I don't know how anyone can trade that. Man, is it here on TradingView? Has to be.
Yeah. It's on TradingView.
Oh, no, it's not.
Yeah, on the bottom.
What is it? Oh, yeah. Really? Nah. I already got. I'm not giving you more money. Like, what is? How do you? I mean, I can't.
You buy green candles.
Man, okay. Maybe I'm just so used to freaking candlesticks. Oh. Maybe I'm just used to candlesticks. But I will admit, I do kind of like the smoothness of it, though. That's the only thing I like.
Like, it looks easy to trade.
Mm-hmm. I like the smoothness of it. Is it also late like Aikanashi?
I got no idea.
Hmm?
No idea. Man.
You're
NY
welcome,
is
Jason.
trash.
Could be that's always, no, not always said that. Just this year. He'll be back. He'll be back to love in New York again. Come on. You said never? Okay.
London session is the GOAT. Like,
No, Asia session is the GOAT.
There you go.
100% win rate. London. Since yeah, no, seriously, we would have 100% and a trade every session.
No.
One thing about London is London would have like some of the longest trades ever. Like some of the trades would go for hours and hours.
Yep. That's annoying. I vote for Asia session.
Yeah.
Man, I'm telling you, on the footprint right now, you've got 242 lots at the top of this candle, 215 lots at the bottom of the other candle. It's just
damn
unbelievable orders.
Who's going to win?
Yeah, this is gonna explode one way or the other. I'm gonna have a buy stop and a sell stop.
No, it should have a sell limit at the top and then a buy limit at the bottom.
Yes.
That's a much better
That's
idea.
smart.
Oh man. But then you gotta pray that the move, that what actually happens eventually is also in your favor. Let's say this thing ends up going up, it has to activate your buy limit because it will activate your sell limit too. And if it comes down, you got to hope for the same thing.
Man, this is garbage. Like it's there's a huge buyer like or seller like at the top of these candles, but then it just moves down like with no volume, leaving gaps, and then it comes straight back up again, straight back down again. So it's just like a monster trader who's trading like 100+ lots at this one price, and then every other price is like 1, 2, 3 lots. It's like, what the fuck? What's going on?
Man, the price action is rubbish now. Basically a range.
Yeah, horrible range. It's not even tradable. It's like,
Yeah, super ugly.
but if this breaks the high, Pi will let us know they bought the low.
100%.
Oh man.
For the gram. And I'll post it next to my Lamborghini. And say hashtag London session, even though it's New York.
Come on, man. Why? Why are we doing this, New York?
Like New York session used to be the GOAT.
And so much news started to happen. Like Trump used to speak all the time. Fucking crazy.
Man.
There you go, another monster trader at the low of this candle. Like literally
Yeah.
at the very low. It doesn't
Yeah.
even make any sense how they're trading this.
So much volume, man. It's just
Yeah.
scary.
It doesn't make sense to us.
Yeah, it doesn't make sense to us. They know what they're doing. So it's like out of nowhere, it's like you got these tiny lots and then 160 lots buyer at the bottom. It's like, okay. What the hell?
You can't even like buy and sell it.
Yeah.
Because you just get clapped.
Yeah.
It's like flickering up and down so fast.
I'm with the sellers though in this range. I'm with the sellers, but the buyers should be successful too. At this level that we're in, that we talked about, even though this supply is now valid, but and the sellers, they could do anything they want. There should be heavy buyers here on footprint. Is there?
Let me see. What price is that? 38.80 and below.
No, even 38.85 and below. All the way to that 1 hour demand.
So it's only between like 80.5 and 83.78, and then low volume until it gets down to 76. Then there's huge volume down there.
Okay. Still the lows. Even if this thing goes up, the setup I want, even if it does happen, it's probably gonna be late. And even if it comes down to, but we'll see. We're still here. You tempted to buy? Oh yeah, because the range right now it could go either way. But I'm not tempted. If we did not break this low here, it would be a different story. We did not close below that low, it would be a different story. I will buy for sure. How many time frames break this low? Broke this low? 15, 30. Okay, no low yet in 1 hour until this low here. It's rejecting the 1 hour demand. On the 1 hour time frame, this is a good setup on the 1 hour time frame. Because it's bullish, we broke the high. So lower time frame, nah. And as like I always say, every move starts from where? The lower time frame. The higher time frame will catch up, but it all starts from the lower time frame. It all starts from the lower time frame. That's why I became a day trader. Plus, I like the daily money. When I think about swing trading, that's when it's only when I'm greedy. I'm greedy for more. To be honest, swing trading it's for people swing trade for two reasons. You're greedy for more, you want more, or you just have no time to be a day trader. Because being a day trader, you gotta show up every day. Swing trading, once you get that trade, that's it. So Some of you might have a swing trading personality. If you do, then that's what you need to do. And some of you might have a day trading personality. And if that's what you are, and you're trying to be a swing trader, you're gonna hate it. And if you hate it, guess what? You won't even be you won't be open-minded to actually learn what it takes to be a swing trader. So don't waste your time, just stick to day trading. The number one thing is that trading is based on who you are as a person, not who I am, or not who your friend is, or your brother or your sister if they trade too. It's based on who you are.
I just want to say I took a buy at 1.7.
Of course you did.
Stop loss at 1.1. 6 pips
Of course you
stop
did.
loss.
Yeah.
What? We're still at that price. We're at that, and Abe was mono
Watch it.
lonking.
Watch it break the highs, and I took a buy.
No, hasn't broken yet. Risking 6 pips to make 100.
Just below the VWAP. Yeah.
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 Stop loss just a little bit below the VWAP. Entry just below. Oh shit. Okay, let me go break even.
It's a big
It needs to
fucker
break
at
now.
39.02.
Yeah, big old seller up there. Break, please.
No, you need to say pretty please.
Pretty please. Break it.
While it's eating quietly.
It looks like it wants to break real bad.
Kidabit said it's because you're watching this trash gets tempting.
It's true. It's true. I can't. I was talking to myself before I took the trade. I'm like, do you want to trade this? Do you really want to do it?
And you were like, F it, I'm doing it.
Fuck it. Let's do it. Saw the stop loss. I'm like, yeah, let's go. I'm not gonna touch this trade. I'm not gonna take partials. I'm just gonna fucking let it go.
Okay. When I switched to the 1 hour, I'm like, damn, this thing looks so good on the 1 hour. But man, 5 minutes and 15 and 30 is like, nah, just wait. Just wait. It really looks good on the 1 hour. I'm not gonna lie. However, the 5, even the 1 hour, that's why, yeah, you can, if you take it, you can leave it to run, but at least take something off at this 5 minute supply, at least. Take something off, and then maybe move your stops to break even. Because it really looks good on the 1 hour. At the same time, this could become a lower high on the 1 hour time frame, which we do not have yet. TP is at the top of the 5 minute supply. Yeah. My intraday days are definitely take that buys only 1 hour.
All right, I'm gonna secure 40 and let the rest ride. What kind of RR is that? 6 pip stop loss. That's gotta be big.
I'm not touching it.
And I bought the high. I bought literally right up against the high of that resistance.
You know what can happen here though? What can happen
Pullback.
here, yep, that would make me be like, okay, now there's a better chance based off the 1 hour, there's a better chance this supply is not going to hold and we go all the way back up to potentially this 5. Because the move started from this candle, right? And we got a 5-minute supply there that has not been tapped. This break right here, now what I would do is mark up this 5-minute demand. If we come back and tap this 5-minute demand, I'm willing to take these buys. Because number one, we did get to the low and tap a 15-minute demand. Now, here on the lower time frame, plus we are still bullish. Now, here on the lower time frame, we have a big minor BOS here of this minor high. And if we look at this low here, the low of this candle, this first high that we created failed, right? It failed, and now we're trying to push up aggressively. Now we've been successful at closing above this high. So if it comes back and tap this 5-minute, no 15-minute demand, I'm willing to jump in buys. Now, if it does not, then I'm gonna keep waiting for the sales.
It looks like it wants to, so it'll be a good buy setup.
Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. Gives you that extra confirmation.
Man, Phil Beat saying you can still take out the lows.
No, if it gives a pullback and it does go up, yeah, we're gonna go back up to the 5 at least.
I'd be surprised if it came down right now and took out the lows.
Oh,
I'd be
yeah.
like, wait, what?
Yeah, I'll be surprised too if it does that. That would be crazy.
Yeah.
So we'll see if we're gonna get a retest here. I'm gonna get me some water. I'll be right back. Well, take over for me, please.
Looks like we should get that pullback. Man, your runner is like literally the low of the low. Your runner is safe. As can be. As safe as it can be. Still weary, eh? Okay, starting to pull back. Let's see. Bro, you gotta be fucking kidding me, Gold. I was assuming it was gonna pull back, so I took more off. And then just left a small runner, and it tagged my runner out by like 2 pips, and it's straight fucking back up. It's like that's not cool. I was looking to get back in if it came back to the demand. Damn. If it just
Well,
bounced like that, that's kind of fucked up.
you might get another opportunity if it does tap the demand.
Yeah. I don't like the way it fucking just tagged me out and fucking straight back up.
If it doesn't tap this demand, I'll add this 5 supply back again. Now we take it off.
The volume still looks weak. Like it pushed up, but it's kind of thin volume with just a couple of gigantic orders.
Yeah.
Today's a weird day.
That looks like she's trying to do it. Oh, well, maybe not. Just come down, man, and tap that demand. And we could be looking at, hopefully we tap this demand. And then if we do, we could be looking at a possible liquidity grab.
Damn.
No, that's not, where is it?
I knew it looked weird as fuck.
I guess
This market looks weird as fuck.
Oh shit. Well,
see? I knew this volume is weird as fuck. When Kill the Beat said, you know, it's like it could go to the lows, I was like, man, this push up looks fucking weird.
No.
It could.
I thought it meant like break and close below the low.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll see.
Like, it's so shady. Also, man, monster orders coming in. Holy shit. Yeah, they sold the shit out of that thing. Holy
oh,
fuck.
snap. Oh.
Man, they're hitting it hard.
YouTube, tell me you're not excited to not have taken buys. Tell me you're not excited to not have taken buys.
Man, they're selling fucking huge size.
See, what a freaking fake out for buyers if they took the breakout.
Yeah.
Even if you took the lows, man. Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh.
Damn.
See, now,
Vicious.
who was here earlier when I said everything freaking starts from the freaking lower time frame? Because the 1 hour time frame for sure previously looked like a freaking amazing buy setup. Because we bullish, we broke the highs, but lower time frame was not looking like that. Oh, really?
If I was interested in trading, I would sell it. Oh, I would have sold it right there at that little pop up to 93.0.
Which one? This current candle?
No. Yeah, the current candle, it just pulled up to 93.
Oh.
So right now it's at like 92. 93.0, big seller came in, I was sold that shit. And it dropped like 40 pips in like less than a minute. But I won't trade this. This looks fucking shady, dangerous as fuck.
Well, we were right about sell analysis, however, we just did not get this set up. Now we'll see how we react at these lows. Still no setup just yet.
Man, how much did it drop? Fucking hell. Two 230 pips.
Wow.
Out of fucking nowhere.
Liquidity grab maybe? Nah, I wouldn't call this a liquidity grab. I mean it is, but it's not genuine.
Someone's in control of this. This is not just market. This is manipulation. Pure manipulation.
You manipulated the buyers by.
Yeah, I did. I did.
I was like, okay, everybody, get in here, and right, and right here, he sold the shit out.
I said, okay, everyone, yeah, big pie's coming in.
Man, I definitely wasn't expecting this freaking move at all. Nah.
It was funny because I was watching it go crashing down, and I was like, "Holy shit, the sellers are coming in crazy!" And then you're still looking at like some settings and shit.
Man, I don't trust this liquidity grab at all.
I don't trust anything.
It's a fake one. Do I ever look at BTC? No. I was tempted to kind of like take a trade sometime last week because I didn't know you could trade Bitcoin and futures. But when I found it, I was tempted, but I didn't do it. And even if I'm going to do that with futures, I would like to try it out first with fake money, pretty much demo. What's even the margin on freaking Bitcoin futures? I haven't even looked into that.
I bet it's huge because Bitcoin's highly volatile.
Yeah, it's going to be huge.
That was shady, very shady, yeah. You could tell something was wrong as soon as it broke the highs and was still doing the low volume with huge, like just huge single sellers at random prices. It's like, what's going on?
Wait, did it tap the previous low and then dumped? Ooh, look at that. Ooh, it tapped it and then freaking dumped. Break and retest on that one.
Yeah.
The way I'm even looking at this right now, even the support by that hold that the freaking rejected. Like this candle, I don't like it.
Yeah. I would expect it to wick fill as well, you know. It's like
yeah. I think today is officially chalked. Congratulations, Q the Beat. No, you said thank you. I won't be surprised if we freaking get to this freaking 5, even though it didn't break the lows. Like, I mean, close below the lows and freaking reject and continue to the downside.
Yeah. See, this is why like people who talk about liquidity when they're just looking at the chart and they're not actually looking at the DOM to look at the actual orders, it's bullshit because you would see that, there is very little liquidity in this market right now because it's moving on these like small fucking 1-3 lot traders and then just random big ones. So it's like when it came down, you have one just big trader selling it, and how are those like 1-3 lot traders gonna fucking hold the price against him? He just
That's
fucking crushed them.
that's true. Yeah, 15 might do a weak fail. Yeah. Today's Wednesday already. Man. Well, alright guys. We're definitely not gonna get a trade today. So we'll be back again tomorrow. Hopefully we catch it as we see a setup and a trade, a winning trade at that. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I appreciate you all. God bless. I'm out. Peace. All
Stay
right,
safe
so
out there.
awesome. I'll see you guys down in Asia session tonight.
All right, thanks, Abe.
You're welcome, guys.
Record.